You have defeated this narcissist. Congratulations. I'm so proud of you. You have defeated this narcissist and outsmart them. They are losing power. They have lost power for some of you. And they are out of control. You was not aware that this individual was trying to siphon your energy for some of you while smiling in your face. For others of you, this individual was trying to keep you down. They didn't want you to rise. They didn't want you to know your power, your worth. They tried to undermine you. They tried to make you believe that you needed them when it was the other way around. For some of you, this could be a family member. This could be a neighbor. This could be someone that you looked as family. Like it could have been a friend for some of you. And because of sentiment, you kept this person in your life. And you started to realize that every time you left this person, you felt drained. You know, this person had a way of nitpicking at you, triggering you, opening up old wounds. When they realized that what they were doing was affecting you, they done it more to keep a grip and hold on you. They were fearful of you healing because they knew that when you were in a state of needing healing, you would run to them. And they knew on an intuitive level that if you healed, you would quickly remove yourself from them. So they wanted to keep you at a low state. That was their in on your energy. That's how they were able to manipulate their way into your life. And you were loyal to this individual. You felt something was off, but because of loyalty and sentiment, you stayed around to your own detriment, unfortunately. But now you have closed a cycle, or some of you are closing a cycle, and this person is scrambling. They can't cope. They have no one to feed off. You are stepping into your power now. You are realizing that you never needed them. They needed you, but they tried to spin the narrative like it was the other way around. You are growing bold and confident. You're going after your goals, your dreams. When you were aligned with this individual, they were blocking your blessings. This individual was fearful of your growth. And now their fears are becoming a reality. Now you are waking up to the truth of who these individuals really are. They were keeping you in a state of confusion, emotional manipulation. They wanted you to give them the attention, the adoration that they don't deserve. And if you focused on yourself, they got angry with you. They snapped at you. They had you in a state whereby you felt that you were indebted to them. For some of you, they offered you money as a way of control. And when you offered to pay back this money, they refused it, to keep in control. They hated when you invested in yourself, talked you out of your goals, your plans, your ideas, to the point whereby you always ran through your goals and ideas to them. And if they didn't approve, you would not water those seeds. This is the level of control they had. But now you have grown more confident. For some of you, you are embarking on a new self-love journey, and healing looks hot on you, may I add. Some of you are going towards new love interests. Some of you are now realizing how fabulous you truly are. And this narcissist is losing control. They wanted to break you. For some of you, they wanted to destroy you. They wanted you to feel less than. They were jealous of your light, jealous of the fact that people genuinely like you and love you. They wanted you to believe that they were the only ones that cared for you. Really? Ever since you shifted your vibrations, ever since you started to fall in love with yourself, your frequency changed, because this person only had a hold over you because your vibrations were low at a time. That's how they connected with you. That's where they wanted you to stay. They didn't want you to evolve. You broke free from this narcissist, for some of you, by not paying them no mind. You knew what manipulation they were doing behind your back, whilst smiling in your face to see if their behavior had an effect on you. And you ignored them, iced them out, which made them confused, because for some of you, they loved when they got a reaction out of triggering you. It fed their soul. You were dealing with a demonic entity. So you treated this person accordingly. You ignored them and you focused on yourself, which made this person very bitter, because they are bitter. Their life revolves around chaos, control and conflict. And the energy that they projected out on you is engulfed around them. They are confused that their tricks don't work anymore. And for some of you, you used to react, but when you realized what this person was doing, you quantum leaped into a new timeline. This person became predictable with their antics. You actually pitied this person. This person has exposed themselves. Friends, colleagues, people from groups, clubs and organizations all realize the truth about this individual, and people are moving away. This person wanted tower moments to occur in your life. They are receiving tower moments, or they soon will. The exposure has begun. They are still clinging on to how things used to be, how they were able to manipulate you, control you and trigger you. But we are going into a number 1 year. We are in a number 1 year. Saturn is going into Aries, and so is Neptune. So what this person was able to do in the past will be no more. But they don't know that. That's why they're still stuck on the same old timeline. They wanted you to feel isolated, abandoned and alone. And now they are realizing, or they will realize, that you have some very powerful ancestors who have been watching the whole situation play out. For some of you, this person is very fearful to try and trouble you again, because they are realizing that every time they trouble you, something bad happens. And it's your ancestors watching over you. You are not one to play with. And they have learnt, or they are learning that. For some of you, they're very curious about your bloodline. They know that you are of high importance. Now, everyone is important, but there's something distinct about you. You're very regal. You come from a very powerful bloodline. And people that watch over you have seen what this person has done. And they have interjected and intervened in this person's doings. So every time they try and play out the same old storyline, they will be met with backlash, blockages, because this person was trying to affect your destiny. You are destined for the life of the Ten of Pentacles, a life of stability, abundance, and a family. And this is what this person was trying to block intentionally. But Spirit is saying no more. Because of your self-love, which allowed you to walk away from this person. Some of you may have felt like you needed this individual. That's what they had you believe. You are becoming more independent. That is what is breaking the facade of you needing this individual. You've broken this spell of illusion. You're seeing this person for who they truly are. The mask has slipped for all eyes to see. They are scrambling. They will be scrambling. But it's too late. Everyone knows what they're about. And finally, so do you. So congratulations. You have defeated this narcissist. You or this person could be of the signs Pisces, Leo, Aquarius, Scorpio, Taurus, Virgo, Aries, Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, or Venus.